Crazy Chef, and we're on the hob exclusively today because I'm trying to do this very quickly. I'm finishing up my Thai green curry and we're having a fish curry, Thai fish curry sauce. And I'm going to do it slightly different. We've got some organic wild and basmati rice on the back going. Now on the front we're going to use some heavy duty coconut milk, so it's got a solid top because that's the way it settles. We're going to put that in first, we're going to put the curry paste in, and we're going to let it crackle and pop, then we're going to add some peas, then we're going to add some chilli, sliced up chilli, pepper, and then we're going to add the fish. I'd love to have some fish sauce, but I'm out of fish sauce, so I'll have put a bit of Worcester sauce in probably instead. I wasn't expecting all the fluid to come out, but never mind. It's got to go in anyway, so probably throw that out. I actually prefer Blue Dragon because it's easier to do. This is a bit uncontrollable. Let's get the heat up. Come on, hurry up! Didn't have the wok. I'm using a wok. I should have had it hotter. Like the old rice is coming on. This is starting to boil. Let it snap, crackle and pop. Now I'm going to put the, I better turn it down a bit. Now I'm putting the curry in. I'm finishing, it's about it's got 1.5 dessert spoons here, but I just want to finish the curry paste. Thai green curry paste. Nice smell, I must admit. So this is the thick end of the coconut milk, because it's solid, a little bit of the fluid, and the about 1.5 tablespoons of green curry paste. Unfortunately I haven't got any more, so I just had to use up what I wanted. I'm just going to quickly taste it. Lovely. Always taste your food. Always taste your food as you go. And the only reason I'm putting the spoon back and keep tasting because I've eaten it myself. If I was doing it in a restaurant, I wouldn't do it. So let's get that heated up again. Hot. Rice is okay. One. Now I'm going to get it to slight to the boil, then I'm going to put some frozen peas in because I haven't got any natural peas. Should you should use sugar snap peas, but I'm using basic peas because that's all I've got in the freezer. I just make my recipes up from what materials I've got over. If I just decide, look, I've got that, I've got some spring onion, I've got some peas, I've got this, that and the other in the fridge. I don't want to waste it, so I think about modifying a recipe to use it with, rather than waste it. Right, I've got a chilli, red pepper chilli. I'll just stick that in. I won't throw that; it's too far to throw it. This is thickening up nice. So this is the basis for me to effectively poach the fish in. Ground black pepper, which is my favourite. I'm not putting any salt in. I'll cook the fish probably about 5 minutes till it's nice and check that it's cooked. Right, I've got some white fish, skinless white fish, and I've got some king prawns. Got a splash of coriander. I would use fresh coriander, but I haven't got any fresh coriander. I'm going to serve this on a sort of pasta stroke soup bowl. Right. Ready? It's nice and soft and bubbly. The rice is done. I'm now going to plate it. There we go. Right, okie dokie. Put the rice in first. I've not made it fluffy, I've just sort of done it ordinary. This is wild, you can't see it, it's wild rice and basmati rice mixed. And the news is on in the other room, so. Okay. Bloody hell, it's all falling off, it's all falling off the table. Right, turn it all off. Now, put some fish in. The old king prawns have gone nice and pink, because the prawns always go pink when they're done. This looks really good. Bloody good that is, look at that. There's a bit more juice left, but I can't put it in here, otherwise it'll flow over the back of the plate. Right, there we are. Fish curry. It's really almost like you could sort of a fish soup, but it's a fish curry. Thai green fish curry.